Hello friends, welcome to my channel Learning Electronics. I want to inform you that we have started a new channel for lectures in Hindi language. So if you want to see the videos in the Hindi language, then you can visit that channel and subscribe that channel for lectures in Hindi language, and the lectures in the English language will be uploaded in this channel of Learning Electronics, and the new channel name is Learning Electronics in Hindi, whose link will be provided in the description box below. So using that link you can go to that channel and subscribe that channel also. Please do subscribe this channel also, and also press the bell icon so that you can get more updated videos from here. In this lecture we are going to solve fourth numerical related to sensitivity of control system. We have already covered the theoretical part and derivation part of sensitivity of control system. So if you want to see that video, you can check it in the description box below, or you can go to the channel playlist. So fourth question on sensitivity is: a feedback control system with high K is shown in figure. Find out whether the closed loop transfer function is sensitive to changes in forward path transfer function Gs or changes in feedback path transfer function Hs. So for this closed loop control system given, the overall transfer function T will be equal to K into G divided by 1 plus GHK we will get. We have to find out whether the overall transfer function or the closed loop transfer function is sensitive to changes in G or changes in H. That means we have to find out the sensitivity of overall transfer function T with respect to G, and we have to find out the sensitivity of T with respect to H. Then we have to compare these both results and see whether the closed loop transfer function is sensitive to changes in G or changes in H. Okay, so first we will find out the sensitivity of T with respect to G, and its formula is G by T into del T by del G. Now we put the equation of T here. We will get G by Kg divided by 1 plus GHK into partial differentiation of Kg divided by 1 plus GHK. We will get G by Kg divided by 1 plus GHK into, after differentiating this value, we will get K plus Gk square H minus Gk square H divided by 1 plus GHK whole square. Now this Gk square H will be cancel out this minus Gk square H, and we will get the sensitivity of T with respect to G is equal to G by Kg divided by 1 plus GHK into K divided by 1 plus GHK whole square. Now this K will be cancelled out with this K, this G will be cancelled out with this G, and this 1 plus GHK will be cancelled out with this 1 plus GHK, and we will get the sensitivity of T with respect to G is equal to 1 upon 1 plus GHK. Okay, so this is the equation of sensitivity of T with respect to G. But here in this question it is given that the value of K is very high. So if K is very high, then this sensitivity of T with respect to G will be equal to 0 we will get. Okay, because for high value of K, this will be equal to 1 upon infinity approximately, which is equal to 0 we will get. Next we are going to find out the sensitivity of T with respect to feedback path transfer function H, and its formula is H by T into del T by del H. Now we put the equation of T here, we'll get H by Kg divided by 1 plus GHK into partial differentiation of Kg divided by 1 plus GHK with respect to H. We will get H divided by Kg divided by 1 plus GHK into, after differentiating this equation with respect to H, we will get 0 minus G square K square divided by 1 plus GHK whole square. Now we are getting this type of equation for sensitivity of T with respect to H. We can cancel out this Kg with this K and G, and this 1 plus GHK will be cancelled out with this 1 plus GHK, and we'll get the sensitivity of T with respect to H is equal to minus of GHK divided by 1 plus GHK. Since this K is very large value, therefore this GHK will be very much greater than 1. Therefore we can neglect this 1 as compared to GHK. Therefore the sensitivity of T with respect to H will be equal to minus of GHK divided by GHK. So this GHK and this GHK will be cancelled out and we will get minus 1 here. Okay. So if we find out the magnitude of this sensitivity of T with respect to H, we will get 1. We got the sensitivity of T with respect to G is equal to 0, and if we compare both these results, sensitivity of T with respect to H is equal to 1. That means the overall transfer function is 100% sensitive to variation of the feedback path transfer function Hs. Thus, the closed loop transfer function is sensitive to changes in feedback path transfer function Hs we are getting, because the sensitivity of T with respect to H is equal to 1 means it is 100% sensitive to changes in Hs, and there is no sensitivity found for the variation of Gs here. So hope you have understood the numerical. Thank you very much for watching, and please do subscribe my channel for more updates.